how to fix Valorant disconnecting problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just right click on Valorant properties, compatibility, and then click change settings for all users. Now you will find it like that. Now enable first option, select Windows 8 and enable those two options, then apply and OK again. And after that type here update. Now just make sure to update your Windows. Just install all the updates that you can find and then go to services. Now scroll down until you find VGC. Here's it, right click on it, properties, click here, select automatic and click start. If you can't click start, just go back, click restart here. Now after that all you need to do just close this one, go to task manager, then go to startup, and here just here we'll find Vanguard. Right click on it and enable it, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.